Most patients who come to see us as a first-time dental implant patient are carrying some level of anxiety about the procedure that they're coming for. As with most things in life, the fear of the unknown is much greater than the fear of the known. And so our job at the consultation here at ArkLaTex Oral Surgery is to help people understand how the processes and the procedures that we have in place here will make the whole process much more smooth than what they would ever expect. Anatomically speaking, the teeth and the gum tissues are what have all the nerve supply. The bone does not have a lot of nerve supply. So when we're talking about placement of dental implants, most of the manipulation that happens at the level of the bone where there's not a lot of nerve supply. Our office was the first in town to utilize cone beam CT scanning, and by being able to look at the CT in 3 dimensions, we're able to look at the volume and the quality of the bone without actually exposing that bone in the way that we had to do prior to that. What that does for a patient on the back end is creates much less surgical trauma, much less discomfort afterwards, and people always have a much easier recovery than what they expect. When it comes to the day of surgery, we have lots of options available for patients that are nervous about the sounds or just the atmosphere in the office on the day that they're going to have the procedure. Anywhere from, the typical numbing medicine, local anesthesia that they would get at their dentist office, as well as oral sedation options, and then IV anesthesia options where a patient can be completely asleep, have no recollection or no knowledge of any of the surgery happening. So one way or another, we'll find what makes the patient the most comfortable and get them through the procedure no matter how anxious they are. Most patients that are really anxious about dental procedures think that they're the only person that's that anxious, when in fact, many folks are anxious about having dental work done, and we're very accustomed to helping patients manage that anxiety. Don't let dental anxiety hold you back from getting the function and the aesthetics of a smile that you deserve. To learn more about ArkLaTex Oral Surgery, come in for a consultation so we can help you get the smile that you want and deserve.